Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'm going to answer the question that is, when did COD Mobile come out? So if you were or are curious on what was the release date for the Call of Duty Mobile game, we can absolutely discover that with ease and, well, pretty swiftly as well. Just open the official COD Mobile Wikipedia page here, and as you can clearly see, it states that the original release date for this game, for the Call of Duty Mobile, is the 1st of October 2019. So that'll be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.